today. It's kind of hot.
Just like
Hi, Alice. Hi, Alice. We're heading back now. It's pretty warm. Woo. Hoover Dam. Hi, guys.
Bye.
Say bye, guys. Say bye, Hoover Dam. I'll see you next time. Our last time here at Hoover Dam was 2012. 2012.
2016.
Yeah. So it's kind of hot here. Say hi, guys. Show them your bear.
So your bear.
Show your bear. I bought my bear here. Oh, Daddy's trying to climb the rocks. There's the famous bridge. And Daddy's trying to climb the rock. Uncle Mark, can you hold?
Thunder. Let's go. I'm super.
Oh, hi guys.
Hello. You want to climb there?
A lot of chairs. Dad, ito may ano ka na?
Sige.
Kaya ka malawat. Kaya ka. Trying to climb. Whew. Guys. It's hot.
Let's go walk.
Alice, hi. Hold hands to Uncle Mar.